Hello everyone, this is Priyanka from Zricks.com and today I am going to showcase you one of the projects by T&T Group. The name of the project is Eutopia. This project focuses a lot on therapeutic hospitality and it's urban therapeutic housing basically. If you talk about the location, it is located in Siddharth, Vihar, Ghaziabad, just next to Indrapuram. Well, this project connects you towards the India's first
14-lane expressway, NH24.
It is just 10 to 15 minutes away from Ghaziabad domestic airport and right next to Indrapuram. So all these locations majorly make this project very easily located or easily identified on the map. It is also very close to Akshardham temple, like almost 5 to 15 minutes away within that gap. So let me take you inside and tell you more about this amazing project. Now let me first enlighten you with the main elements and main facilities that Eutopia provides and which they have made sure and kept in mind that should be there for all the residents who finally decide to have the possession. So one of them is that they made sure that there are thousands of medical plants that provides you with medical therapeutic facilities and have all those properties. One of them is Ayurvedic Panchkarma. It is very unique and not all projects provide that. So this way you can focus on your health also while living in this luxurious apartment and within this project. You will meet like-minded people, you can enjoy yoga with them. There is a gym on every tower on the top of it. There are indoor games and outdoor games. All of those are provided within the project. So everything is going to be within your reach. If we talk about the parking and the facilities of how the car are gonna arrive and from where will they come and go. So I must tell you that there is a parking facility underground. So there will be no parking allowed on the ground floor, making sure that the children and the residents of the apartments or of the society are safe to move around and play around, especially children. And if we talk about other facilities like playgrounds that are also there for children, well, on the ground floor you will see electric cars, but that are for your convenience and to also save your time. So because this project is so huge, so if you want to move around and if you have to go to one corner to the other, electric cars will be there to help you out. There is a separate entrance for the visitors so that there is no hustle for the main entrance for the residents to enter the compound of the project. There is also a clubhouse for your entertainment which will have indoor games, outdoor games, a swimming pool. Actually it's a 3-level swimming pool with temperature control, which is spectacular because it provides you with a lot of luxury and comfort. Well, I'm standing outside Eutopia's lobby area or the waiting area for your guests or your delivery people or anybody who's here to see the residents. So here is where they can wait for you, and that's the reception. It's a grand entrance and it's completely inspired by Greek architecture. So let me take you inside now towards the sample apartment. It's a 4 BHK apartment and the configuration of the apartment is 2990 square feet. So let me take you inside. Since this is a sample apartment, it starts with the lobby itself. However, the real apartments will not begin from the ground floor or from the lobby. All the apartments will begin from the first floor and every floor will have 2 to 3 apartments. So that also gives you a very private space. There's not going to be a lot of waiting area in your lobby. So less the apartments, less the waiting area and more privacy. The safety begins at the doorstep only. They have a camera over there for your safety. And then comes the smart lock, digital lock, traditional lock, everything that should be there is already here. They have provided that. So they have a traditional lock if you have the keys. Then there is also a digital lock. This is a digital lock. And then they also have thumbprint. You can use a thumbprint and you can also use retina detection. When you enter the apartment, it comes with a foyer space. There's a huge foyer space, so it gives a lot of privacy. Anybody who enters cannot peek into the apartment directly. First comes the guest room, but I would first showcase you the living room and the dining area. So this is this huge and beautiful living area, which comes with this beautiful chandelier, and then just opposite to that we have our dining area, and then just opposite to that we have our kitchen also, which is a very modular kitchen. This huge dining space or the living space also has an attached balcony. Since the sofas are placed here, so I cannot open and showcase it to you, but it's attached, so I will showcase it to you from the guest room. So let me now take you towards the guest room. This is the first bedroom of the complete apartment. It comes with the wooden flooring. It comes with a separate sitting area. It's huge enough, so you can see it yourself. They have space for 2 side tables also, sitting area, then you can have your TV setup over here. This is the attached balcony that also connects you towards the living area that I showcased you before. And this one is the attached washroom. So there is a uniqueness about every washroom. Every washroom has their own theme in it, and they're all censored. So once you enter the apartment or once you enter the washroom, the lights will switch on or off accordingly. So it comes with the vanity and with also a storage space down there, the toilet seat and the shower area. It separates the shower area with a glass. So this is the attached balcony for the guest room and for the living area also. As you can see, it's huge enough to place your, sitting arrangements or even have your hanging chair over here. As you can see, you will get the wooden flooring and the marble flooring. The other things depends on your customization and what do you need. So that completely depends. But the wooden flooring and the marble flooring will come with the possession. Let's come to the dining area. So the dining area is beautifully designed and it's also opposite to the kitchen. So it makes it easy for the people serving food to just come directly here and serve the food. Very accessible. Now let me take you towards the kitchen. The kitchen is also one of the USP of this whole apartment, because since it's a modular kitchen and it's gonna come as it is with the possession. You will get the fridge, you will get the dishwasher, the microwave, the tabletops, these beautiful tabletops. You will also get chimney and hob, and then you get the 2 bowl sinks also. Now moving along, we have the powder room over here. The guest and the visitors can use this powder room, because I said that every washroom has a unique concept about it. So this one is based on gold and white theme. They have this beautiful gold vanity along with the mirror, the gold mirror. They have enough space for your utility stuff. Then they also have this smart watch. That's very unique. Not all projects offer that, and you get the wooden flooring. Let me now take you towards the kids room. The kids room also has a wooden flooring to it. Then they also come with a wardrobe, and they also come with a attached balcony and the washroom. So the good part about this whole apartment is that every room has an attached balcony, or this one has an attached party deck, I would say. So if you see, the party deck is huge itself. It's enclosed. It's open on one side and closed on the other end. A lot of people can sit here. At least minimum of 10 people can be here and enjoy the party. You can even open, if you see opposite to me, you can open this whole area, and now this will become very large. I will showcase you that area later, and I will open it also so that you can know it yourself that how large it is going to look. Right next to the party deck, we have the toilet space, and this one is themed completely white and brown, They have this, toilet seat, the vanity, and the separate shower area. The vanity also is very huge because you can, put all your utility stuff, and then you also have storage space which is enough for your kids. Now let's go outside and I will first showcase you the family lounge area. So this one is the family lounge area that I was talking about when I showcased you the party deck. Now if I open these curtains, and you'll see that there's the party area or the party deck area. You can open this. Now your family can also, just sit here and have a good time, watch movies together. And if somebody wants to enjoy the fresh air, they can, go out and sit in the party deck area, or you can just utilize it as a balcony. This is also a space. Either you can convert it into a library or you can convert it into a bar. Completely depends on your choice. So this one is the terrace room. Comes with the wooden flooring and the attached balcony and the wardrobe area. If you'll notice, every balcony is quite large. On the opposite side, we have the washroom. Let's see what's the theme of this washroom. This one is also white and gold, but a little bit more white and less gold. We have the toilet seat over here, a beautiful vanity, and the shower space over here. So it's all golden if you'll see. So the interior of the house and the fittings of the house basically makes a lot of difference. This one is the master bedroom, again coming with the wooden flooring. Now this room has a dark brown color wooden flooring, so it changes a little bit than other rooms. The master bedroom is huge. They have a separate sitting area over that side, and then the wardrobe area and the attached balcony. So this is the attached balcony. Every balcony can have their sitting arrangements. Now let me take you towards the walk-in wardrobe. I think that's a very exciting part of every house. They have a separate vanity over there, completely themed in gold and white. The washroom will come as it is for every room, and even the powder room. They're going to come as it is with the possession. So we have the vanity over here. We have the smart seat or the smart toilet seat over there. Now that I have showcased you almost all the parts of this huge apartment, let me take you now towards the servant room. So that's outside the apartment, just next to your main door. So just next to the main door, you have the servant room. With that comes with a bed and the attached washroom. And I think even the servant room is huge enough for one person. And this is the attached washroom. And even in the servant room, the lighting is automated. So it comes with a vanity and the toilet seat and a separate shower area. Like I did mention in the beginning of the shoot that this is a smart apartment, or I would rather say artificial intelligence enabled apartment. So you can control all the lighting, the fan, the curtains, everything with a touch on this pad, or you can just ask Alexa to do the job. So let me first explain you how this works. So this is how the app or the device looks like. So from here, if you see, we are right now standing in the living room. So I will just touch the living room. It shows you the downlight 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, and then the chandelier as well. So if you see, if I just touch here, you will see that the chandelier itself, just switch off, and then if I, with just another touch, it's switched on. And again, it's in the comfort of your own reach. You do not have to, get up every time and switch on the light or switch off the light. You can just sit around, relax, chill, and just use this app or ask Alexa way to do the job. The curtains can be controlled from this tab. If you want to open the curtain, just click on open and the curtains will open itself. And then if you want to close them, I will just touch the closed button. Now this app or this facility is applicable to the entire apartment, to all the rooms, washrooms, your kitchen, living area, dining area, sitting lounge area, everything. Well, if we talk about the facilities, the amazing and rich facilities that come with the possession of this apartment, one of them is centralized AC that comes along with it. And then I've already mentioned that this is the smart house or the smart apartment. The another thing is toughened glass that is provided on the railings of the balcony. Well, this was the complete tour of the whole project and the apartment. We hope you enjoyed it and loved it. Well, if you have any other questions or queries, please feel free to contact us on the below mentioned number and we will help you out. Thank you.